Today, let's talk about body care. Hi, my loves, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. I have not posted in almost a month, mainly because we all know the situation जो हमारे country में था. Just didn't feel right for me to talk about stuff like body scrubs, So I just didn't feel like creating any content, but the show must go on. I started with shorts. एक दो दिन से मैं shorts post कर रही हूँ, but I thought let me sit down and talk to you about my body care products that I'm absolutely loving. Ideally, we all should be taking care of our body throughout the year, but I know winters में हम सब lazy हो जाते हैं, including me. Okay, so summers में because our body is more on display, we tend to take more care of our body. So I have all these products that will just make you feel fabulous. Okay, I have all price ranges covered in this video. So the products are products that I've used for a really long time, like years. Maybe कुछ ऐसे product हो जो अभी new in हो. But also before we get started, let me just break down my look. Okay, this vest coat that I'm wearing today, this is a denim waistcoat and it is from Westside. मेरी earrings भी Westside से है and मेरा ये pendant is from Swarovski. Okay, so that is my look. And for hair, I have freshly just washed my hair. आज की वीडियो में we are just rocking my natural hair. So that's about it. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो रही है you guys. Like oh my god, even शिमला में it's just getting so hot. By the way, you guys, if you're new to my channel, hi, मेरा नाम है विशाखा. I create videos about beauty, fashion, lifestyle. Vlogs भी कभी कभी create करती हूँ. Make sure you check out my other videos. If you like the vibe, consider subscribing to my channel because I would love to have you back for more videos. As always, you guys, links to everything will be in the description box, so go check out कर लेना. Let's start with the video now. I think so as a woman, being in your feminine energy is also a lot about inner work, but also creating these little rituals on an everyday basis. These tiny rituals really help me feel good about myself. It really starts in the shower and I take my shower game really seriously. पहले है ये product which is from Earth Rhythm. ये है इनका butter cream soap. This is in the weighted filter copy. Okay, ये इस तरह से आता है एक tub में. It has this little spoon over here just so you can scoop out the product and this is how the product looks like. Now just imagine soap को आपने mash करके इसमें डाल दिया. This is exactly that. So honestly, you can just use a soap and get done with it. Okay, but I like using this. The fragrance of this is so pyari. Okay, and I just take a little bit on my hand and mashed soap sort of a thing and use it, and it gets the work done. It's affordable and just the whole concept of this is very very cute. I came across this last year and तब से I've been hooked onto it. Okay. Then a product that I recently discovered because this is a new launch is from Dove. Okay, I do this series on my channel where I test out new launches. Okay, मैं almost every other month करती हूँ ये. So I tested it out in that video and I really like this product. I think so Dove in general, they have amazing body washes, so you can go with any variant. ये इनका है brightening body wash, इसमें vitamin C है, so this is the vitamin C one and I really like it. How it feels on the body for the price. I have been really enjoying this product. Another brand that I really like for body products is Bath and Body Works. जब भी Bath and Body Works में सेल लगती है ना, especially winter time में, I go in and I splurge and मैं उस वक्त पूरे साल का stock लेके रख लेती हूँ. And I always do a Bath and Body Works haul on my channel. You can check that out. Okay, this Japanese cherry blossom range is very nice. If you have dry skin, this is honestly great for that because this is moisturizing and ये थोड़ा सा आपका gel base आ जाता है. If you are somebody who loves a good fragrant type का body washes, okay, definitely check out Bath and Body Works. They have a lot of different variants and you will definitely find something that you will like. Apart from this, Bath and Body Works na aromatherapy range bhi karta hai. So if you're somebody who is into that kind of stuff, definitely check out their aromatherapy range because they have beautiful products in there. Last but not the least is definitely a splurge item. This is from L'Occitane and this chotu sa bottle is for 850 rupees, but I think so this will be the best 850 rupees that you'll ever spend. This is unka almond shower oil. So this is like an oil which turns milky and this is the most gentle hydrating body washes out there. Whenever I want to have like a very luxe experience while taking a bath, this is what I gravitate towards. ये पूरा खत्म हो चुका है, बहुत थोड़ा सा ये बचा हुआ है. If you've been thinking of trying this product, आंखें बंद करके इसको try करो. Okay, now let's talk about body scrubs. I think so cheapest and the best body scrubs out there are from Dove. मुझे कुछ पसंद आता तो मैं same variant बार बार लेती हूँ. Okay, and I just have been using this from the past 2 years. I want to say, and it smells like mango. Mango is like one of my favorite fruits, okay? So clearly, ये खत्म होने वाला है. It just makes your body so damn smooth. This time I literally had to be like, Ki Vishakha, try another variant. So I have gotten this one. This one is the crushed macadamia and rice milk variant, okay? And you guys, it smells divine. This definitely smells like a very posh lady, like very clean girl aesthetic vibe है इसकी. Speaking of rice, Kimirica also has really nice products. I really want to try more products from Kimirica, but I haven't gotten around it. इसमें rice brand है, तो again ये rice base है, okay? Blend of green tea and rosemary extract. मैंने इसको बहुत बार अपने favorites video में भी दिखाया है, and I really like this product. Okay guys, let's talk about body lotion. Honorable mention over here would be the Wishcare one, the SPF wala, that is really good. Okay, I don't have that over here with me. And overall, we all love the Plum Cake body lotions. They are fab, okay? But currently, I am rotating between these two, okay? This one is the Niacinamide. Minimalist के products are fab because there's no fragrance, no BS. Okay, this one has 5% niacinamide. It has glycerine, shea butter. So it's really good for your skin. And उसका texture is just like summers में it does not feel greasy whatsoever. If you're looking for a body lotion जिसमें fragrance ना हो, this one is really good. My favorite way to hydrate my body is with this. I've talked about this product n number of times. This is Hibiscus Monkey ka Velvet Spray. Okay, it's just a spray sort of a thing that, oh, it's just like an oil that you apply all over your body. I know it's summer and you must be thinking, hey Vishakha, this would be too chip. Correct way of using this in the summertime is when your body is wet. Once you're done with your shower, your body is wet, you spray this all over your body. Okay, अच्छे से massage कर लो, and then you hop into the shower again for a minute or two, and जितना भी excess oil होगा वो सारा निकल जाएगा, and it will leave your body hydrated. तो वो चिप वाली feeling बिल्कुल नहीं आती. Like अभी तो of course I've just applied ऐसे, but I like to take like a 1 minute shower after I apply this without any soap of course. And you guys, your body is hydrated, okay? I love using this all over my legs when I'm wearing dresses and shorts. It just gives your legs this beautiful glow, which I love. This product was my last year ki discovery. I've mentioned it in n number of videos and for the right reason. Last but not the least, I also would recommend a body butter or body lotions from Bath and Body Works. Like I said, I really like their if you are looking for fragrance base products for body care, Bath and Body Works is really affordable. Like Sol de Janeiro is too expensive and this is affordable. इसमें इतनी अच्छी raspberry type की fragrance है. Wait, let me read. So this basically has patchouli, rose petal, raspberry, amber and mocha musk. So this one is like thick. I really like this. इसमें ना हल्का सा वो glitter particle भी real life पे आपको हल्का सा shimmery particles, which is fab in real life. कैमरे पे I'm pretty sure नहीं दिख रहा होगा. One tip that I can give you is try to, if you are going fragrance based, then try to have similar family जब आप products layer भी कर रहे हो. So I like to Bath and Body Works में जा रही हूँ तो मैं similar type के products लेके रख लेती हूँ. Then you don't have to think too much. Okay, this one is the diamond shimmery mist, and honestly you guys, this is literally like water. Of course you cannot see the shimmer particles right now, but you guys, in real life, again, this looks stunning. But if you don't want to go down this route, another thing that you can try for your body is shimmering oil. This one is from Plum. I got the wrong shade. Okay, this is more like rose gold. This is almost pink on me and it's very flowy, but when you blend it out, it does not look that bad. Okay, this is how it looks like blend hook. I feel ये सारी चीज़ें कैमरे में इतने अच्छे से translate नहीं होती है, but real life में when you see somebody who's moisturized, like their arms, they just shine, you are just like, wow, she must really take care of herself. And maybe mentally you're not in that position where you're taking care of yourself, but at least you can look that way. So fake it till you make it, girl. But yeah, this is how it looks like. I know it's too much on an everyday basis, but if you're going on a holiday or something like that, then you need something like this. ये Plum से है, काफी affordable था. I know a lot of brands do body oils and they're quite expensive, but this body shimmering oil is very inexpensive. मैंने एक full-fledged video की है talking about my favorite SPFs definitely check that video out over here. Okay, सारे budgets, skin type, सब कुछ cover किया मैंने इस video में. Definitely check that video out. But अगर body की बात कर रहे हैं तो body SPF is also very important. This one, Neutrogena one, is amazing. SPF 70 इसमें है. And this is oxybenzone free. This is literally like a deodorant. So this is great like that. Also, this gives you this incredible shine on your body, which I love. And ये वाला है SPF 50 PHR plus from the Derma Co. This is also a great affordable option. This is something that I like to carry around with me, so I like to spray this over my arms like throughout the day. Okay, one miscellaneous product that I want to mention over here is, and मैं इसके बारे में review definitely अगली video में ज़रूर करूँगी, but this product over here is something that I made मम्मी पापा and हमने ट्राई किया and I really like this product. This is from Just Humor. ये है इनका 30-second foot facial, I think so. Okay, this is how it looks like. Summers में you guys, we are in chappals, sandals, our feet is on display and we have to take care of our feet. I'm guilty of this, you know. So this is something that I've started using. If you're somebody who cannot get pedicures after pedicures, you know, invest in something like this. This is great for your feet. जितने products दिखाए ना सब I've loved for years. This one is a new discovery and absolutely I'm loving this product. My parents really liked it. Like mummy papa were really thrilled when they used this. With that, you guys, we are done with this video. I really hope that you found this video helpful. These are the few products जो मैं currently use कर रही हूँ. Okay, let me know your favorite products in the comments below. And on that note, I'm gonna go for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye.